Today, we're going to uncover the production process of the green rice dumplings at the factory. First, workers wash the glutinous rice, repeatedly cleaning it thoroughly. After draining the water, they pour it into a grinding machine to turn the freshly cleaned rice into fine glutinous rice flour. It's then set aside for later use. At the same time, workers in the cleaning area select fresh mugwort leaves. They then repeatedly knead and wash the mugwort leaves, removing impurities. Afterwards, the mugwort leaves are then turned into a green paste. This paste is mixed with the ground glutinous rice flour. The steaming machine is started, and the green mugwort rice dough is kneaded together. Sugar and oil are added and mixed evenly, then set aside for later use. On the other side, workers preparing the filling boil the cleaned red beans on high heat until the beans become soft and mushy. The cooked beans are then poured into a grinder to make bean paste. Add cooking oil and brown sugar and stir fry over low heat until it forms a thick bean paste. The red bean paste and the mugwort rice dough are each placed into a filling machine. One by one, green rice dumplings filled with red bean paste are made.